I get so high that I feel like I'm floating, yeah. And whenever I jump in that booth, I be running that shit, I be flowing, yeah. I'ma run at that money and I ain't gon' stop. I'ma keep this shit going, yeah. Gotta keep this shit going, yeah. I'm that nigga who live in the moment, yeah. Run it up and I keep this shit going, yeah. Started this shit so I can't stop. I'm tryna drip like a raindrop. And I don't want nothing but VVS's on my neck when I'm rocking the tank top. I know she lying when she said she gon' leave me, yeah, yeah. Cause I know she gon' need me. And I'm the little nigga who make it look easy, yeah, yeah. No, you niggas can't beat me.
You dig? Squeak. This is skills check. Hey, tell her right now.
Super shit for album money back with another banger. So the reason I've been gone because I've been grinding and working. But I got a surprise for y'all. Cop the Jailbreak Hellcat. I still got my Camaro SS. So finna go and show y'all the features of this car. Told y'all the feature of the other car. I got them both right here. Yeah, we got the S1T right here, the Hellcat, you hear me?
Smartphones connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Sinclair.
Yeah, then we got the Hellcat symbol in the back. I don't know if y'all can really see it though, but I see it.
Continuous recording will now start.
And they got the thing just for the cops and all that. Let me know where they at. Y'all can see 807. The transmission in track right now. We got everything on the streets. Y'all hear that thing sound good. Oh, y'all hit a wire. Y'all hit a wire. Oh, telling you, dog, I'm really scared. I ain't even finna go crazy with it. Cameraman ain't got his seatbelt on, dog. Oh man, this been here pressure. Hope y'all heard that whine. Wind the window up. Type shit, type shit, type shit. So I'm really scared. Give me a few months with the Hellcat, and I'm gonna be spinning them. I'm gonna be spinning them motherfucker, man. Y'all tell Ryan, young Poppy, come see me, man. Come see me, bro. I want my Camaro wrap, Ryan. Just hit the block right quick, show y'all this song. Be consistent. You be consistent on whatever you want to do. Just like me, I like cars. I wasn't even into cars, but now I'm into cars. And next car I'm gonna get is a Nissan GTR, maybe. You gotta let me. Carbon stripes. Yeah. I would pop the hood for y'all, but I don't. Yeah. Show y'all everything. So let me show y'all the camera can really see. Yes, I see y'all see the red eye. And I see the eye fully. Right, right there. Man, that's a creature on, man. Well, I'm not finna grab it. Grasshopper leg, man. Go ahead and grab it, man. Get it out of there. I ain't come from the intake, but you got a pulley right here. You got the supercharged, hear me? Trying to tell you, man. Got the everybody all in the lounge. Oh, this is a karate thing. They ain't there playing karate. Got them all looking and stuff, but you know it is what it is, though. In 2024, gonna be a great year. Road to 100K. We for sure gonna hit it. You get a lot of content going on. So like button, subscribe, comment. Let me know what videos y'all want to see. Follow my Instagram. That boy, let's do it. Nigga ain't wanna quit. He wants to play the Ravens. I came back and blew him up. Hey, he not even pressure for real because like the guy that he can't beat is me. It's me.
I remember we was at school and he asked me to bring him a ham sandwich because he ain't had nothing to eat the night before. Nigga, I ain't lying, so you can tell me that.
Hell no. The boy said a ham sandwich.
So you can tell me that at all? Well, none of that true.
Hell no.
I might have asked.
He got boogers. He got boogers in his nose.
So you ain't never tell me I ain't eat at home the last 2 days.
I probably said some shit like that. But a ham.
Boy said the ham.
I asked for it to be dressed.
With lettuce.
Shit, no, I don't eat lettuce.
Nigga, you asked for
Nah, you know
you
that.
asked for a Scooby-Doo sandwich.
I know it's kept.
And you said
They don't even go together, but we doing it. Yeah, they shit. Yeah. Why they doing it? Yeah. I gotta read it. Now I gotta redo it, huh? I'm trying to click it real, young, but you know, it had the brake caliper on that thing. I'm really scared of this car because it got too much horsepower. Hit my SS to the floor, but this one, nah, I take the traction and everything on there gonna really.
I need a moment of clarity. These niggas do all that talking and I'm looking at them hilarity. I'm posted up in the trenches and that is a place that is bad to be. Yeah, I just been focused. Yeah, Mamba mentality. These niggas cannot compare to me. I need a moment of clarity. These niggas do all that talking and I'm looking at them hilarity. Yeah, I'm posted up in the trenches and that is a place that is bad to be. Yeah, I just been focused. Mamba mentality.
EOS.
EOS.
EOS, the best lotion out there.